Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we will be laying out the legs. Going back to our drawing, we want the height of our desk to be 40 inches. We know that our top is going to be 3 layers thick, so we need to subtract those 3 layers from 40 inches. In addition, the width of each leg is going to be 4 inches square. So each side is going to be 4 inches. So the height of each of our legs is going to be 37 3/4 inches. If we take a look at the top view of our legs, we're going to have plywood on the inside pieces and then oak on the outside pieces so that it covers up that plywood edge, and then it'll look like it's just one big solid oak post. However, the inside is going to be hollow so that we can run our wires through it. Also, our overall measurements are going to be 4 inches by 4 inches, so my oak piece is going to have to be a full 4 inches, but my plywood pieces I'm going to have to subtract the 3/4 inch thickness of both oak pieces. So the pieces that I'm going to need to build my legs are 4 inches wide by 37 3/4 inches long by 3/4 inches thick. That's going to be made out of our oak board, and I'm going to need 8 of those. For my plywood piece, it's going to have to be 2.5 inches wide by the same length, the same thickness, and again, that's the plywood, and I'm going to need 8 of those also.